and then she enrolled, say, 3 on May, and then she enrolled, say, 5 on June. She enrolled 1 in July. She enrolled 1 in August, 2 in September, 3 in October. Then she could have made more than this. Am I right?
Yes.
What if her entire network did not stop as well? Then she could have earned more than this. Am I right?
Yes.
What if someone from this left group, she was able to sponsor a Chinese-speaking friend? Is it possible?
Yes.
And then after a few months, we've opened in Indonesia. Are there Chinese-speaking people in Indonesia? Are there Chinese-speaking people in Singapore? But of course. Okay, what if after some time, you sponsored a Malay-speaking friend of this other group? And then we opened in Malaysia, and we opened in Indonesia, and we're now already open in Brunei. So the possibilities are endless. What if after some time, the friend here in Singapore has a friend in the United States of America? Which is bigger, Singapore or the United States of America? Which has more population, Singapore or USA?
USA.
So do you get the picture right now? So it's not about talking to people. Yes, it's about talking to people now, but at the back of your mind, you're pioneering in other countries that we're gonna open. So I want to show you the big picture so you can earn more than this. Okay? We started in the Philippines, but because we partnered with Nature's Way, an American manufacturer existing successfully for the past 50 years, and they have great products for us. Okay? 6 months ago, we have a Brunei representative office, and we're legally registered in Brunei. And today, we're legally registered in Singapore. After a few months, we'll be entering Malaysia. Within this year, we're going to open in Indonesia. Okay, our products have pending registrations in Hong Kong and in Taiwan. And late this year to early next year, we're going to open in Hawaii. These are minority states of the U.S., Hawaii, Guam. And early next year, we're going to open in the United States of America. So these are the things that are lined up to be open. Okay? So we're just starting here in Singapore. And we already have an office here in Singapore, International Plaza. So can you imagine if early next year, first quarter next year, we're going to open the U.S. mainland, how would the people in these countries going to feel? They said, what? You're going to open our countries first before you open the United States of America? Because the usual scenario for this business, in this industry, is that they open in U.S. first. They open in U.S., and then they open in Canada, and then they open in the whole of the Middle East, and then they open in Europe, and then they're going to open in Asia. So we're the one left out in the bottom. But this one is different. We started in Asia. And then we're going to open in some parts of the Middle East here. And then we're going to open in US. So whether you like it or not, if you just talk to people here in Singapore, whether you like it or not, chances are your friends in Singapore know some who are in the United States. Am I right?
Yes.
It's like asking, are there Singaporeans in the United States?
Yes.
Are there Malaysians in the United States?
Yes.
Are there Indonesians, Chinese, Taiwanese in the United States?
Yes.
So before we open US, we open these Asian countries first. So it's a privilege for us Asian countries. We have this great US manufacturer that has a great belief on us, that they took a risk on us by giving us an exclusivity of one of their products and some of their products and tried testing it in the Philippines. And they were so amazed. They were saying to me a few years ago, Ed, I gave you the exclusivity of this product in the Philippines, and you have so much sales. Your sales in the Philippines are equivalent to 16 countries of my traditional partners. So when I asked for exclusivity, can you imagine a very small country, a third world country called the Philippines, and the equivalent of our sales are 16 first world countries. But we're doing it this way, and these 16 countries are doing it differently. They're doing it through traditional way. And what is those traditional way? To put up many stores, to put up commercials in the television, to put up advertising in magazine, the newspaper, or use the tri-media. But we use word of mouth advertisement, or what we call referral marketing, or what we usually call network marketing, or multi-level marketing. So when we use this system, or this method called network marketing, we produce so much sales that they gave us the go signal to expand in other countries, even in their own country. They have given us the right to expand in their own country and compete with some of their brands that are distributed traditionally. When I say traditionally, to the stores, using tri-media, but with us, we won't be using tri-media, we'll be using through word of mouth advertisement. So the possibilities are endless. So we're starting here in Singapore. Okay, so just imagine, of course, your friend who happens to have a friend, who have a friend, who have a neighbor, happens to be a big player in one of these countries. And can you imagine, out of those people joining your group, what if you come across a person doing a similar activity like ours? And they're saying, oh, I'm doing Amway, I'm doing Herbalife, and they're already existing for what? For 30, 40 years. And when they saw an opportunity, they're not just gonna transfer alone. They're gonna transfer with their entire network. Because this is a better setup than what they have. Okay, because we're pioneering in a very, very few countries, and soon we're gonna expand in the United States of America. And how easy would that be? Can you imagine you're offering an American a US-made product? Is it hard or is it easy? It's easy. I mean, you offer an American a product made from Korea, and they probably would scrutinize it. You offer an American, say, a Malaysian product, they probably scrutinize it. You offer an American a Vietnam-made product, they scrutinize it. But you offer an American a US-made product, a product made by a well-known company called Nature's Way, who's been existing for more than 50 years, it's going to be easy. Because Nature's Way already have a name in the United States of America. So can you imagine doing this? Let's just say for 3 hours a day. 3 hours a day, you just refer people. Hey, I have a business. When can we meet? Today or today? 3 hours a day. Now let's meet at my office. It's in the International Plaza. I'm going to show you a great business that has a huge potential. I'm going to show it to you in 30 minutes. When can I see you? When can we meet? Today or today? Just do this for 3 hours a day. After 3 hours a day, you're going to have a momentum. Your group will going to grow. Your group will going to grow. They're going to each refer some of their friends, refer some of their friends. On a part-time basis, I mean, if you'll be earning a good amount, okay, some of the leaders here, their goal is to resign. Let's just say you're earning twice the amount of what you're earning today. You're earning twice the amount of what you're earning today, and you're earning it part-time. You're earning it part-time, and you're earning twice the amount of your salary. So the most logical thing to do is to resign and do it full-time. I mean, if I'm doing it part-time and I'm earning so much, with so less time doing it, I might as well do it full-time. And what if sometime it crosses the bridge from your Singaporean friends, they know someone in Malaysia, of course. They know someone in Indonesia that has almost 300 million population. They know someone in Hong Kong, Taiwan, and Hawaii, and also US. So we are in a great opportunity, great time, okay guys, great timing. Why? What if you have heard this opportunity 5 years from today? 5 years from today, when we have created lots of millionaires in Singapore, lots of millionaires in Malaysia, lots of millionaires in Indonesia, Hong Kong, Taiwan, we will probably launch in US by that time. And you're going to hear our opportunity 5 years from today. And there are probably, say, 1 million members in Singapore already. Which would you rather have? Know the opportunity today or know the opportunity 5 years from today? Today. Okay. Which is better? To do the business today or to do the business 5 years from today? Which is better?
Today.
Today. So if you're going to do the business today, you have more advantage than people joining 5 years from today. Guys, we do not have any